Today, you will be learning and doing an experiment all about electricity. To understand static electricity, you have to understand atoms. This is what makes up all matter in the entire world. It is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, and electrons have a negative charge. This is super important to the atom because you want to make sure those are balanced out. So for one negative charge, you have one positive charge. When two things rub together, such as the comb and hair, electrons are transferred. This means some of the electrons from this atom are going to leave and go to a different atom. And then the charges are uneven in this atom. Since this lost an electron, it now has more protons, which means it's going to have a positive charge because it doesn't have anything to cancel out that extra proton. When things have opposite charges, such as an atom that's positive and an atom that's negative, they will be attracted to each other, just like when magnets go together. But if two things have a positive charge or two things have a negative charge, they're going to bounce away from each other. Just like if you try and put two magnets together on the same side and they try and push apart as much as possible. Because the comb has a charge, after you brush it through someone's hair, it will start to attract the pepper, which is what makes the pepper jump off of the plate and hang on to the comb. This is known as static electricity. For today's experiment, you are going to need a plate, pepper, salt, and a comb. Put some pepper and salt on the plate, making sure to mix them up pretty well. Run the comb through someone's hair at least 5 times. The person who runs the comb through someone's hair should be the person holding it over the salt and pepper. Then put the comb over the plate and watch what happens. You should start to see pepper jumping off of the plate onto the comb. If you don't, just brush someone's hair again and take another stab at it. There are many other types of electricity, and I urge you to go learn more about it because it's super duper cool. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.